Hello! In this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing Oreo pine cone desserts. Not only will they satisfy your taste, but they will also serve stunning centerpiece for your dessert time, even for a short time. It is very easy to make, and if you have kids, ask them to help you. First, place 2 packs of Oreo into blender. Each pack weighs 154 grams. You can blend biscuits from medium to fine consistency. It will be up to you if you prefer to have some small bits in it or not. Now we have to mix 50 grams of butter, 110 grams of soft cheese and crushed Oreo together. If your butter is too hard, add it to a small blender to soften it, or take it from the fridge in advance to keep it at room temperature for a bit. Mix all together well. Ideally put the Oreo mix into freezer for 45 minutes or in the fridge for a few hours before forming the pine cones. You can also make them without cooling down, but it may be a little bit on the soft side and it will not hold the shape the same way when the Oreo mix is cold. I find it easier to make pine cones when the mixture gets harder after the fridge or freezer. To make pine cone scales, you can use either Nesquik choco waves or Kellogg's chalks to create a scale structure. My preference is Nesquik as it has a better shape structure. Shape the Oreo mix into a shape and decorate it with cereal by overlapping over the cone from top down. When all the pine cones are completed, place them into a fridge for at least 5 hours or leave them overnight. To create a snow effect, use icing sugar and decorate with rosemary branches. You can decorate them before placing them into a fridge or after fridge. The design presentation can be done by placing the pine cones next to each other, stack them, or placing them on top of the cake. My pine cones are a good size. Altogether I made 6 from this mixture. You can also make them smaller. It is up to you. This is how it looks inside. My kids love it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to be notified when I add a new video.